So I've had a few questions come up about these keypads and how you make them work with your 7610. So this is going to be a little instruction video on how to make these keypads work. It's a pretty straightforward process, and here's how we do it. The first thing you want to do is go into the menu and turn the keypad function on. So menu button, set, connectors, and usually you'll probably be on this screen, so go down one screen till you see external keypad. In my example here, I'm going to be using it for voice, but you can use it for CW, RIDI, or PSK. So in my case, we're going to go to voice. So click on voice, go ahead and just turn this on. Now it's set up in the menu. The next thing you'll want to do is plug the keypad into the jack on the back of the radio that looks like this, called external keypad. So once the keypad is plugged in and it's set in the menu, you're ready to record a message. To do that, go into Menu, Voice. Right here on the right, you'll see Record Set, and hit Record. And here you've got your choice of 1 through 8 on your memory channels, and just pick one. And once you are in this screen, the mic is immediately hot at that point, and you can kind of play around here and test with the audio levels while you just talk. And if you want to adjust it, just go into mic gain and you can bring it up or down. Right now I'm just using the hand mic, and I found this hand mic's pretty hot to start with. So that's probably about the right level. And as soon as you're ready, just hit the record button and record your message. Now, one thing I will say about this is make sure your finger is real close to that stop, so you don't have a big lag time for when you're done talking, because if somebody answers you and you've got another second or two of just dead air on your record, you won't hear them. So try and keep that tail after you're done talking as short as possible, or otherwise you'll miss calls. So here's an example. CQ, 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 November Kilo 7 Juliet. And then if you want to listen to what you just recorded, I'll turn this up a little bit. CQ, 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 November Kilo 7 Juliet. And it's as simple as that. And once you're done, turn this volume back down, back out, and back to your regular screen. Well, that's kind of the down and dirty on how this thing works. I just had a number of requests to figure out how this whole setup works once this thing shows up at your doorstep. So that's kind of how it works. So if you want one of these, email below and we'll make one for you. Super nice feature for this radio. In our household, I get slots 1 through 4, and since my wife's a ham, she gets slots 5 through 8 over here for most contests. So works out great for us having the dual operators in here. And the other nice feature is you can record on different SD cards whatever messages you want. So if you switch operators, just swap the SD card and away you go. That's about all I had for today. Just wanted to give you an update on how this thing works and how to set your radio up. See you guys on the next video.